In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store under construction or set up a coming soon page. This simple yet effective approach allows you to prepare for your store's grand opening while keeping your potential customers intrigued and engaged. Now, let's dive into the process and get your store showcasing a beautiful coming soon page. First, we'll start with enabling password protection. Head over to your Shopify admin panel. From there, you'll need to navigate to Online Store and then click on Preferences. As you scroll down, you'll find the section labeled Password Protection. Here's where you get to work some magic by checking the box that says Restrict access to your online store with a password. This will ensure that only those with the password can access what's behind the curtain until you're ready to launch. Make sure to set a password that you'll share only with trusted eyes or anyone who might need early access. Next comes the fun part. Customizing your password page. In the Shopify admin, return to Online Store and then click on Themes. Find the theme you're using and select Customize. There's a drop-down menu, usually set to Home Page. Click it and select Password Page, or a similar option depending on your theme. This area is your canvas, allowing you to set the stage for what's to come. Now, let's make this page speak your brand's language. Start by editing the headline text to announce your store's exciting upcoming launch. Phrases like launching soon or our store is coming add a level of excitement. Use your brand colors and bold font to draw attention. A great addition to your coming soon page is an email capture form. By integrating this, you can collect addresses from curious visitors and connect this form to your email marketing platform like MailChimp to grow your subscribers automatically. Consider incorporating a countdown timer, an excellent tool for building anticipation as the launch date approaches. And don't forget to incorporate your brand's colors, logo, and overall aesthetic to ensure your page feels like home to your brand. Adding a brief description of your store or links to your social media pages can also keep visitors engaged. Once your page looks just right, save those changes and give the password protection a test run to make sure everything is working smoothly. And remember, when the big launch day comes, you'll want to disable that password protection. Simply return to Online Store, go to Preferences, and uncheck the Restrict Access PRIA box to unveil your store to the world. Alternatively, if you're seeking a more streamlined method, Shopify offers various Coming Soon apps from the Shopify App Store. These apps provide pre-designed templates and features like advanced analytics or social media integration, which can enhance your customization process even further. And there you have it. A straightforward method to ensure your store is under wraps until it's ready to greet the world. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store launch.